springtime. We have been living with this crap for the whole winter and everything is piling up. For example, we have nowadays 2 of these parking signs telling you how long you have been there.
So we get rid of the things that we don't use. And there's a lot of crap and a lot of cleaning to do. So.
Yeah, lots of cleaning because we have been stationary for whole winter and usually in summertime we clean the van more often.
Because we move every day.
So we always wipe down all the surfaces. Now I don't know, for example, the
dust situation, because now it's sunny and it has not been sunny for 6 months. So everything is covered in dust because you cannot see the dust in wintertime, so you don't care about it.
Yeah.
But now we are doing some proper cleaning.
Yes, there's a lot of cleaning to do and yeah, we have to go through every cupboard. For example, we have these boxes of stuff, so we have to go through those and...
This has been the craziest winter, because this has been the winter without the winter. And good news, we don't have to heat the car that much, and we can actually use our grey water tank. We started using it a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
And it's not frozen. And soon we can ditch this gravity bucket and start using our real tank in our car. So it means freedom, and we can leave this camping ground.
Yeah, actually we have had our grey water tank freeze a couple of times, but because it's only freezing at night time, it doesn't matter, because on the daytime it melts and it's again usable and we can empty it.
It's easier to do the dishes and you don't have to plan not to make like messy foods. You can use tomato sauce and spinach and everything that makes a lot of mess, because you don't care that you have to use a lot of water or hard to clean.
Yeah, we don't do any messy things when we have no water. Yeah, we are saving water every time that when we have only the pocket water or it's running, our tanks are running low. Yeah. For example, during trip, it was the same thing. We didn't use shower when we didn't know where to get water. When we got water, then we went to shower and used it and made the dishes better. And
yeah.
So conserving every time the water when we don't know when to fill up.
Yeah, and we prefer to boondock at the nature and go swim and bath in the lakes and rivers. So.
Helsinki area, we don't have any problems getting water, because I can get water from our workplace. We have like open taps in Helsinki, I think 20 of them.
Everywhere.
Yeah, we can come here to camping ground to fill our water. It's €2 to empty tanks and fill the tanks. When we are traveling, you don't know where the water is. You might use Maps.me app on or OpenStreetMap to find water, or you just ask from the locals where to get water. But now it's time for making a
spring clean.
Yeah. Where's the time lapse? Time lapse is there. 1 GoPro that we are filming. There's actually 3 GoPros more that we use. I think this is broken, and this is working.
They are good cameras, but they get broken, and we tend to buy little faulty cameras, and Joni is a smart guy. He fixes them.
Buying these as little faulty, for example, the screen isn't working, for example.
But the buttons don't work.
Yeah, it costs approximately €30 to €40 to buy this, and then we just buy the spare parts, €20, and get the working camera.
Yeah, I love GoPro because it's so easy to use.
Point and shoot. Yeah. You don't have to think about anything when you are shooting with this. And we like it.
And the lens is so wide, so you don't have to worry about
that we are talking together and
other face is cut.
Yes.
Sometimes it happens.
And also it works great when you have wide angle when you are in a small place like this.
So you can see this whole car.
Now I'm gonna start the cleaning or purge.
Yeah, wiping things and getting rid of a lot of crap.
Yes, we're gonna first go through all the things, and then when we have gone through, then we start the cleaning.
For example, we have Serbian money here.
Yeah, it's actually from 2016. It's like €50.
We are going to save them, and then we have a reason to go Serbia again.
Yes, when we get this big thing in the back, it means that it's a springtime.
We are making the deadliest mistake in this part of the winter. We are putting the big bag in our garage.
Yeah, usually when we do that, in less than 3 days, there's a cold wave coming to Finland and everything is frozen and we are freezing in the van.
Yeah, and we are too lazy to take it out from the garage, so we are just suffering. When this silver big bag moves to our garage, it means it's a springtime. So we are so happy about it.
Yeah. This is what we use on our cockpit to cover all the doors and windows because they are
Leaking a lot of cold.
Yeah, it helps approximately 300 watts. So we have to use 300 watts less heating power to maintain the temperature here, and also it's much more convenient to sit here on a computer, or because the cold drafts a lot from the cockpit. So when we use this one, you don't feel any draft anywhere in the van.
And we don't want to put a blackout curtain here because this is like 1/3 of our van and we like to sit in these chairs a lot. So we don't want to block this cockpit area.
And we don't want to use the blanket that goes outside because winter in southern Finland it's really wet. So you have that cover outside that is always wet. And you have to store it somewhere when you drive. So,
and dirty and salty and everything. Now it's really clean.
Yeah, and it's dry, so we can always take it away and drive away, and that's it.
That's why we like the indoor.
Yeah. There's also plus side when you are using the one that goes outside, because then it's not this is more large area because it's not plugging anything inside.
Yeah, it doesn't take the living space.
We got through these cupboards truly and got rid of some stuff. Not much.
Yeah, we have some card box, so it's just laying here. We are going to draw this one out. This letter light thing. And the letters are missing and falling. Then pointless wire, because we have the USB heavy duty port system now.
Yeah. We had this 12 volt plugs that we used here, and we made some extension for it and have been using this for I think 3 years. But after buying that USB hub with 10 USBs, we don't need any more of this. Really good China stuff. This was the cheapest one and this was the toughest one because
it lasted.
Yeah, and still it's like a new.
And I want to show you our fruit basket.
So we have basket for the cards and keys, and also when you live with the girl, these things everywhere. Here, outside of our van. So you have these hula hoops everywhere.
You know, the car keys, they live in that great tiny basket. So when you're wondering, where's the car keys? You know they are always there.
Yes, we have for everything that we have in a van. There's a place for it. So if we are trying to find something, we can just it's in that cupboard.
Yeah. So we know the bananas will live here. Scissors are here.
And for example, we have these boxes for. This is for Sarah's beauty things. So everything that is for beauty things is here. Here is batteries. There's batteries for GoPros. Everything that is
different kind of batteries.
Yeah. So they are in one box. So it's easy to always find. So we are trying to maintain this really good
organization skills.
Yes.
Coffee, my dear.
Yes. So the cleaning was faster than we thought. We actually made purge before winter time, and we have been here stationary since, and we haven't bought this winter nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing extra. So for example, our garage, there was nothing extra that we would get rid of. Everything was that we actually want to have.
So we have learned.
Yeah, we have learned something.
Not to buy useless crap. But it helps because we did a major purge in October?
October, yeah. So now it's ready. We are ready to wild camp again, because if we have too much stuff and we drive daily, we have to always find the place for everything before we can drive.
For example, the fruit baskets.
Or laptops from here.
Yeah.
So we have to take them to the cupboards. And if we have too much stuff and cupboards are totally full, we cannot put there anything.
Yeah, and it gets overwhelming.
Yeah.
And it creates some kind of stress when you have to shuffle things.
But it's springtime. I'm so excited that we can actually go wild camping again in near future. Now Sarah's workplace is just beside the metro station, so it's much easier to get here to the eastern part of Helsinki, where my workplace is and where our van is. So our commute to work will be much shorter than last year.
Yeah.
That helps a lot. And we change the spot when wild camping every day, so we are not in the same spot. Maybe 2 nights a row maximum, and then we change.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of things. I think we have 20 places that we circle. That we
Our
go.
favorite places.
Yeah. So that will be fun.
New chapter of our lives. Even this helps when there's the sunlight and we can take the window covers off. So we can...
Yeah, we don't have to use the blinds.
This helps so much. Our car looks so big and
Yeah.
so white and so clear and so light and beautiful.
Finnish people always, when it's time for sit down after the work or taking a break, coffee.
Coffee is always good.
Yeah, average Finnish people use 10 kilograms of coffee per year.
That's
Lots of them. So it's our way of taking a break and enjoying social life.
And Finns don't drink vodka. I don't know what's up with people always ask like Finlandia vodka. Maybe because they see those Finlandia vodka bottles in their stores. No. Finns drink coffee and beer.
Coffee and beer.